So what is transformation? Have you heard about it in computer graphics? Anyone? We'll be doing today geometric transformations. So do you know what is transformation?
So transforming a thing from one shape or to other or something like that. Transforming one
Yeah,
thing to other shape.
yes, one shape to other
Other.
shape.
Yes.
Like, or sometimes you shift the place as well
Oh,
from one place to another place. Sometimes you zoom in or zoom out, means you increase the size, you decrease the size, of any graphics, any
yes, sir.
picture.
Yes.
So you can say transformation is a process of modifying and repositioning the existing graphics. Okay, transformation is a process of modifying and repositioning the existing graphics. Now, how many types of transformations are here, and which we will be doing? So there are 5 types of transformations. First one is translation, second one is scaling, then rotating, then reflection, and then shearing. So first three we will be doing here: translation, scaling, and rotation. Okay. So today we are going to do the translation technique, and then we will do one or two numerical on that. After that, if time will permit, we will do rotation and scaling. Otherwise, we will do in the next class. Okay. So what is translation? Translation means you move the object from one position to another position. So you can see here on the right hand side, the alphabet F is being moved from gray color to red color. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So what exactly you are doing? You are moving it from one place to another place. Okay. So definition of translation can be: a translation moves an object to a different position on the screen, and a translation transforms simply or moves every point by a certain amount of horizontally and certain amount of vertically. Means you suppose that you have some coordinate for that, or some position, some pixel position is there. So that pixel position, for any diagram, you will be moving from one place to another place. How we do it? How we do it? So see this diagram, which is available on the right hand side. Suppose that you have the point P, you have the point P, and you want to move it to P dash. So you have 2 points, P and P dash. Okay, so you are moving from here to here. So P to P dash, suppose that your P coordinates is xy, P coordinate is xy, and P dash coordinate is x dash y dash, x dash y dash, and here it is xy, xy to x dash y dash. I guess this is here, you need to edit it. It should be new coordinate position should be x dash y dash, x dash y dash. Okay, so x dash equal to x plus tx and y dash equal to y plus tx. Means is your whatever is your original position, means xy is the original position and you are moving to x dash y dash. So how will you calculate that position? For that, you will have some translation or shift vector, that is called translation or shift vector. through which you will be doing. So how much you are doing, and that is called, that's what we are using here, Tx and Ty. So if you will see the coordinates from here, x and y, so this was x and this was y.
Yes, sir.
This was x and this was y.
Y.
Now this is x dash, this is
Y dash.
y dash. So is there any difference here in x dash, y dash?
Yes, sir.
So these are the differences. Okay.
Yes.
So one difference, that is translation vector, you can say Tx, and another one you can say Ty. Okay. One is Tx and another one is Ty.
Oh, okay, sir.
So that's what you will be adding. That is called distance pair. A translation distance pair, Tx and
Ty.
Ty. Then only you will be able to go here at P dash, no? How will you shift? So whatever you had x earlier, in that you will be adding Tx as well. So this will be Tx and this will be Ty.
Ty. Okay, sir.
Okay. So that's what you are doing here. New x dash equal to x plus Tx. This one was your x or not?
Yes, the original position.
This one, your original position was x.
Yes.
And this one was your y.
Yes, sir.
So this full will be y dash, and from here to here,
X
this
dash.
full will be
X
x dash.
Yes.
That's how you are getting it. X dash equal to x plus Tx and y dash equal to
Y plus Ty.
y plus Ty. Okay. So this Tx and Ty is called translation distance pair. That is also called translation vector or shift vector. So if you want to write in the form of the matrix, so firstly you can write these positions, P dash equal to P plus T, P dash equal to P plus T. What is P? P is
Original coordinates X, Y.
original coordinate. So you will be writing like this, xy. P dash is the new coordinate, new point, x dash, y dash. And what is your translation shift or shift vector? Tx and
Ty.
Ty. So you can calculate the new points. There is no problem.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Now, if you want to represent that into the form of the matrix, so what happens? This P dash equal to, you see, you can write here P dash equal to T translation. Actually, it is this P dash equal to T dot P. P dash equal to T dot P. What is T? T is Tx and Ty. And P is xy. P dash equal to x dash y dash. So if you want to write into the form of the 3x3 matrix, you can write, you can calculate the points like x dash y dash 1 equal to Tx T. What is T? You will take the unit matrix, and in that this last column will be Tx Ty1. Okay. And then xy1. So from here, if you will calculate, suppose that you are calculating, can you solve this matrix? Do you know multiplication of the matrix? Do you remember
Yes.
multiplication of the matrix?
Yes.
How we were? So what is our matrix here? Matrix is x dash y dash 1 equal to 1 0 tx 0 1 ty 0 0 1, and then you have x y and 1. So whenever you will multiply this, so how we multiply into matrix? Row into column, isn't it?
Yes, sir. 1 into x plus y into 0 plus tx.
So 1 into x will be x
Yes, sir.
plus 0
Into y.
plus
tx.
tx.
Yes.
Then 0
Plus
plus
y
y
plus ty.
plus ty plus
And 0 0 1
0 plus
plus
0
0 plus 1.
plus 1. So equal to what value you are getting? X plus
X plus tx,
tx,
y plus ty,
y plus ty
1.
and 1. So now you compare this x dash and this. So actually you are getting this or not? X dash equal to x plus tx, same formula. Y dash equal to
Y plus ty.
y plus ty. You are getting same thing.
Yes, the same formula.
So that's how we will be representing this into the form of the matrix as well. Any confusion now? Till here? Now suppose that we will solve one example, and then with that it will be more clear. So one question is given here. Example: given a circle C with radius 10 and center coordinates 1 4. Apply the translation with distance 5 towards x-axis and 1 towards y-axis, and obtain the new coordinates of C without changing its radius. Means radius is same. So what actually you have to shift?
The center.
The center. What you have to shift? Center.
The center.
Means if you solve it, so what is x here?
One. X is 1, y is 4.
So x is 1,
Y,
y is 4. What is tx?
5. No, 5. 6.
5 towards x-axis and
6.
1 towards y-axis. That's what it's written.
Yes, sir.
5 towards x-axis and 1 towards y-axis. It means tx is 5 and ty is 1. Actually, the question is like this. Suppose that you have this. So 1 and 4, your circle is here. Suppose that this is 1 and 4. So suppose that this is distance is 1 and this distance is 4. Okay. Now what you have to move? It should go.
The center 5 and 1.
Tx is given 5 and ty is given 1. Means towards y-axis it should move. Means ty towards y-axis it should move 1 point, and towards x-axis it should move 5 points.
5 points.
So what was our formula? X dash y dash 1. You have to find x dash y dash 1. So 1 0 5. Then
Sir, if we know, can't we directly add? Why make matrix again?
yeah, you can directly add, there is no problem. But whenever you will be writing the program, you will have to write one procedure, no?
Oh, right. Okay.
How computer will know? Then 0 1 1 0 0 1. And what is this? X is 1, Y is 4, and this is 1 1. So you can multiply and you can get the answer. So what will be the answer here? X dash Y dash 1 equal to, you will multiply this
1 plus 0 plus 5.
1 plus
0 plus 5.
second one 0
0 plus 4 plus 1.
then
Third one is 0 0 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1.
6
6 5 1.
6
5 1.
1. It means X dash Y dash 1 equal to 6 5 and 1. So implies that X dash equal to 6 and Y dash equal to
5.
5. That is P dash equal to 6 and 5. Okay. So this matrix will go where? One more here. So let's make it, this is one more. Suppose that this is the distance 1 and this is the distance 4. So radius will not be changed, means you are shifting from here to here. You are shifting from here to here. This will be your X dash Y dash. So this is called translation. Any confusion in this, anyone? So this is your solution, final solution. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is all about translation. I will we will do rotation in the next class, and till that we will solve some more numericals.